We've been hearing promises of some sunshine and some warmth on the way.
There certainly is. It's on its way. In fact, for some today, it will start to arrive, but not quite so in Scotland, Northern Ireland. Very good morning to you. It's going to be a bit cloudy here across Scotland, Northern Ireland today. Certainly this morning, a bit brighter later, but the cloud will be thick enough for rain in places, certainly during the first half of the day and continuing to the afternoon the further north that you are. But for England and Wales, different story. Not only should it be dry for just about all, but fairly warm as we see more sunshine develop than we saw through yesterday. And that's just the start of things turning sunnier and warmer across many areas this coming week. It's a high pressure though that means that we've got the Manchester-London Marathon starting dry. Temperatures at the moment around 7 degrees in Manchester, 9 degrees at the starting line in London, and it could be the fourth warmest London Marathon on record, with temperatures here up to around 21 or 22 later. But as our pollen levels could be up to high, if not very high, across some parts of central and eastern England.
Matt is here with a gorgeous carpet of bluebells there behind you, Matt.
Indeed, Ben. Very good morning to you. Yeah, haven't they been spectacular? If you've been out in the woods recently, the forest's looking amazing where you've got bluebells have come out. It has been a spring of spectacular blossoms. These captured in Dorset a couple of days ago. There will be more in the way of beautiful weather to enjoy those bluebells through this coming week as things warm up. And with that high pressure in charge, sunshine overhead, we will warm things up more midweek. The exception being the far north of Scotland, where things will cool down a little bit. But just to put some perspective on that warmth, the deeper red colours here showing how temperatures compared to average, around 10 degrees warmer than you'd normally expect this stage in late April. But as you can see from the outlook, even with things cooling down a little bit across parts of Scotland and Northern Ireland late in the week, it will still be reasonably warm for the time of year and there'll still be plenty of sunshine around. Back to you both.
Everything is heating up this week. It's going to be pretty warm, in fact, for the marathon runners today, isn't it, Matt?
Yeah, potentially the fourth warmest London Marathon in its history, I think, today, Rachel. Very good morning to you, and understandable when you get skies like this. This is Shropshire just a short while ago. We're going to see more of that through this coming week. At the moment, though, a bit of a split north-south out there. Little, if any, rainfall for many through this coming week, and that is quite significant because we finish spring at the end of the week, and so far, for some parts, particularly across parts of Hampshire, we've precious seen over a tenth of the normal rainfall for spring. Things incredibly dry, especially across central and eastern areas. Only some parts of southwest Wales have we got rainfall amounts close to where you'd normally expect through the entirety of spring. There you go. Back to you both.
But also, the beautiful blue skies have been showing off that gorgeous cherry blossom behind you, Matt.
Hasn't the blossom been amazing, Rachel? Yeah, very good morning to you. And if you've been enjoy your weather, sunny, warm, you will certainly like this week ahead. I know some of need rain at the moment, but let's take a look with a nod to what's going to happen this coming week, first of all, because a spell of much warmer weather on the way for most of us. Good deal sunnier as well. And with light winds around, there may just be one or two mist or morning fog patches, but it does mean that air quality will deteriorate a little bit. And then later on, temperatures will drop, but less warm rather than anything cold as we head towards the start of the May bank holiday weekend.
Good afternoon. It's shaping up to be not too bad a day, but a bit of a north-south divide across the country through the day today. Look at this, a dramatic picture from Highland, Scotland. A lot of cloud around, still pretty beautiful though. It's this stripe of cloud here. It's starting to thin and break a little, allowing for some sunshine, but the best of the sunshine certainly has been further south. Another glorious but dry day. This was Hampshire earlier on. Now, if you're not mistaken, if you think it has been an incredibly dry spring, because take a look at this, particularly across the east, we've seen rainfall totals way below average, and in fact along the south coast we've only seen 18% of rainfall that we should get through the spring months.
Hello, we've had lots of sunshine across England and Wales today, with temperatures climbing into the low 20s. It really has been a beautiful spring day, but of course it's not been like this everywhere. We've had some thicker cloud for Northern Ireland and Scotland, with weather fronts bringing some rain. Okay, over recent hours it has tried to brighten up, but